Okay, we have news coming in from Lebanon as explosions and smoke is being seen in southern Beirut as Israel steps up assault on Hezbollah. Remember, Hezbollah is a proxy force of Iran and has been activated since the attack on Iran. They have been sending rockets into Israel, the settlements in the north of Israel. And now it seems as Israel compounds its attack on Hezbollah, we are seeing smoke rising from Beirut there on your screens. A large explosion was seen in Beirut's southern suburbs on Wednesday as Israel intensified its assault on the Lebanese capital amid escalating cross-border conflict. Thick smoke billowed above the city with planes flying overhead. You can hear them. Okay, so you see on your screens right now as the smoke is seen emanating from certain regions in Beirut. Now remember, Beirut, especially southern Beirut, is within the striking distance for Israel. And also Israel has made it clear that any activity from Hezbollah, any area, any target considered to be of Hezbollah or allied with Hezbollah will be targeted. Already yesterday we had seen Israel moving in, making what they are calling a tactical step into Lebanon to try and control Hezbollah. Hezbollah, in fact, its military wing is considered to be even stronger than the Lebanese army, although Lebanon has clearly stated that they have banned Hezbollah. But we see attacks happening on Beirut in Lebanon by Israel in an attempt to create protection for their border settlements in north. They have clearly stated that they want to create buffer zones, which they are creating along the border areas of Lebanon and Israel. Apart from that, attacks into Beirut, as well as we see southern part of the Beirut has seen attacks, as you see on your screens, as airstrikes are happening in Beirut.